Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make beef enchiladas. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 12 6-inch corn tortillas, a pound of ground beef, a cup of vegetable oil, a cup of Monterey Jack, a half cup of cheddar, a quarter cup of salsa, 2 tablespoons or 1 package of taco seasoning, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and a 28-ounce can of red enchilada sauce, as well as some cooking spray. We'll start by mixing together our pound of ground beef and quarter teaspoon of baking soda. We'll set this aside for 20 minutes and allow the baking soda to tenderize our meat. Next, we'll preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, we'll cook our ground beef on the stovetop over medium-high heat, crumbling it as it cooks. This should take about 8 minutes. After cooking our ground beef, we'll drain off the grease. While the meat is draining, we'll mix together our 1 cup of Monterey Jack and half cup of shredded cheddar. After mixing our cheese, we'll return our beef back to the pot and stir in our quarter cup of salsa, a quarter cup of our red enchilada sauce, and our 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Then we'll return this to the heat until our sauce thickens up, about 2 minutes. After our ground beef has finished cooking, we'll remove it from the heat and preheat our cup of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat, about 5 minutes. After our oil has finished preheating, we'll spray an 8x11-inch casserole dish with cooking spray. Then we'll pour about 3/4 cups of our remaining red enchilada sauce in the bottom of our casserole dish. We'll blanch our corn tortillas in the oil to make them easier to roll. Then we'll fill them with about 2 tablespoons of our beef mixture and about a tablespoon of our cheese mixture before rolling them up and placing them in the casserole dish, seam side down. We'll continue this until we've rolled all 12 enchiladas. Then we'll top it with our remaining red enchilada sauce and our remaining cheese mixture. If you have any leftover beef filling, you can top the enchiladas with it. After assembling our enchiladas, we'll bake them in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we'll remove it from the oven and allow it to cool for 5 minutes before serving it with some Spanish rice. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.